What I wish I knew about human nature back in the day. Check out these 6 incredible facts. Number 1. No one's always busy. It just depends on what number you're on their priority list. Number 2. Believe it or not, you can have whatever you want. Your ability is limitless. Number 3. Everyone is trying to find the right person, but nobody is trying to be the right person. Think about that. Number 4. Money is numbers, and numbers never end. If it takes money to be happy, your search for happiness will never end. Number 5. Your rumors don't define your character. Your grades and finances don't define your intelligence. Number 6. No comparison, please. No one can play your role better than you. Please share and subscribe for more interesting facts.